Good afternoon, children. Hello. How are you all, children? Am I audible to you? Yes, children. Am I audible to you? Yes. I will be sharing my screen with you. Yes. Lesson number 7. Subject is EVS. Lesson number 7. Our village, our city. I'll revise this lesson. This is a revision lesson before the exam. Children, you can see our topic is, today's topic tells us about our village, our city. Children, tell me, where do you live? Yes, where do you live, children? In a city or village? Yes, tell me. Yes, we live in a city. This is a revision lesson, okay? We are going to revise. We live in a city, right? City life is fast. City life is very fast. Yes, we have lot of facilities in cities. People live a comfortable life. They live very comfortably. They have got many comforts. Big malls, we have big malls, shops, big buildings, water facilities. Whereas in villages, no children, you have to fetch the water from the wells, right? Here we have big tanks where we store water. In the cities, we have hotels, theaters, right? People enjoy in a cities, people enjoy a luxurious life with all comforts. Whereas village life is very simple. People are busy in the main work, routine work. Their main work is occupation is their main occupation is farming. But they lead a healthy living style. They eat simple, fresh food. Yes, their clothing style is different. You can see, we always see women wearing saris. Yes, and men wearing dhoti kurtas. Very simple clothing they have. And they live in small houses and live in green, airy place. You can see how greenery is there in villages. They live a peaceful life. Now let us see how a village is formed. You know how the villages are formed. Last lesson also we have seen. A village is a small group of settlements. You can see few houses, right? A village is a small group of settlements. Yes. While a city is a large group of settlements. Many people live in cities. Yes. There's lot of difference between village and a city. There are many differences you may see. So let us see the list of things seen in villages and cities. Some of the things you can see. Yes, in villages, crops are seen in the fields. You see crops, different types of growing crops in the fields. Fruits, vegetables, grains. There is lot of greenery. You can see herd of animals, means group of animals, which all animals you can see cows, buffaloes, goats. Now we are discussing about village children. Here you have ponds, trees of fruit, you have ponds, water ponds, trees of fruits, fresh fruits you can get from trees. Children playing in the mud, they enjoy in the village. Children are busy playing in the mud. A lot of open area of fields you can see. So you have there to play. And akharas, an open area for whistling. In cities, we see shops and malls, vehicles, where we see number of vehicles like cars, Auto rickshaws, we can see. Yes, what else? Trucks, big vans, buses, many more vehicles we can see there. Parks and gardens, you can have big parks and gardens you can see in city. Community centers, meeting places, fire from chimneys come out, you can see in cities. Whereas you have more facilities. Now you have in city villages, cities, villages, you know, in a village, there are fewer facilities as comparison to the city. Villages have difficulty in transportation, education, and even medication. They have small hospitals and all, primary health centers. Whereas in cities, you have big facilities, big hospitals, industries. Villages work is based on primary sector or activities, like they mostly depend on agriculture, right? Yes, cities are well empowered with a lots of advantages like big schools, colleges, big universities, and hospitals, right? Now, industries. You have in cities, we have big industries, secondary activities, manufacturing, terrestrial activities, and like services we have there. Now, children, tell me, yes, let us see the detailed differences between village life and city life. We'll discuss shortly about the village life and city life. A village is located in a smaller area. Village is smaller than a city and it is located in a small land area, whereas city has a large land area. You can see the big differences. People in village know each other. They know each other by their names and their faces. They can recognize each other. They talk to each other directly and they communicate, means they have direct talk with each other. Whereas in city, a city is larger area and people do not know directly each other. They don't have conversation with each other. They are busy in their daily work. They are very busy. You can see houses in villages are very small. You can see how the houses are. Yes, and they are built with muds, right? You can see this is kacha house. We call it also kacha house. Mostly we see this type of houses in villages. Some people in villages build houses of mud and stones. In cities, we see sky-rise buildings. You can see big towers, sky-rise buildings. We have flats. We have chawls also. Because of the population, large number of people live in cities. There's large number of population which come from villages for work to cities. So we have well-developed cities. And whereas people, you know, living in villages, they eat fresh food and the variety of food. They eat varieties of food. They have fruit, vegetables. They cultivate and grow fresh fruits and vegetables, grains by their own. Village people are friendly and they have unity. They have helping nature. This is very rare in cities. Hardly people know each other in cities. In villages, you can enjoy real beauty of nature in a village, but that is not in city. In city life is very simple. In villages, you can see the environment is fresh. You feel fresh, you feel happy, and it is pollution free. Yes, you know, whereas city we have villages are noise free. Whereas you know, in like in cities, you hear the noise of vehicles horns of vehicles, whereas but the city life is calm, quiet. Children, when we talk about the dresses, village people are very simple. Their life is very simple. Their dressing style is also very simple compared to the city people. You can see the man wearing a dhoti kurta and a woman wearing a sari. Man is having a turban on his head. Yes. City people wear, in cities, what do people wear, children? You can see they wear different style of clothes. The style of clothing is modern. You can see. This is how the city people dress themselves. Now, children, what do you mean by transport? Means of transport, tell me. Yes, you know, as man needs are increased, he invented new means of transport. Earlier, goods were transported by animals. You know which animals helped us in transporting goods? You know, animals such as bullocks, horses, camels, elephants, and donkeys. Yes. Which animals helped us in transporting goods in olden days? Yes, bullocks, horses, camels, elephants, and donkeys. They help us in transporting goods from one place to another. Children, next after this, vehicles such as bullock carts, horse carts. You can see which carts you can see here. Bullock carts and horse carts were used. And then later on, ships. In water, ships used to move. On land, automobiles like motorcycle, rickshaws, cars, and trains. You know, trains were invented, following by aeroplane. You know, the transport became faster, and people used to travel by aeroplane. And you know, where do aeroplanes land and take off? From the airport. Aeroplanes land and take off from which place? Airport. And when we talk about industries in villages, we find few small scale industries. We see small scale industries, few small scale industries. Whereas in cities, there are large scale industries. That tells us in cities, produce things on large quantities. City people produce things on large quantities. Now, if we talk about cities in a villages are not as per cities. About cities and villages, they are not as per cities. You know, in cities, there are many hospitals. You can see different type of big hospitals we can see in cities. We have big schools and malls, etc. These all things where we can see children in cities. City people live a very busy life. They are busy and city life is very fast. Village people live their life happily, calmly. They are busy in their routine work and quietly they are busy doing their work. And when you look at this picture, you can see all the different things I have discussed about village and a city. Children, in a village, there is a primary health center. Yes, here you can see on the screen, you can see primary health center of which place? Vadgaon. Yes. So in cities, there are many more than there. There are many facilities and schools in cities. Whereas you can see a school in a village. You have very small school, but they don't have big more facilities. You can see children are sitting on the ground, right? And the school is having very small ground floor itself. It is a very small, whereas in cities, provide good facilities. In cities, we have good facilities for education, medical treatments, job opportunities are there in cities with the kind of amenities. Is many kinds of amenities are available in cities. It is more enjoyable. People enjoy living in cities because they get more facilities. Now children, here you can see. Now children, what all things you can see on the screen? Yes. What all things you can screen? Yes, we can see an umbrella. Yes, cabbage, apple, cauliflower, jacket, and a bicycle. So children, let us answer the questions. Yes, which of the things in this picture are produced on the farm? Yes, children, tell me which all things are produced on the farm. Yes, the things produced on the farm are cabbage, apple, and cauliflower. Yes, these all things are produced on the farm. Where else? Yes, where else can these things be obtained? From which other places can these things be obtained? Yes, these things can be obtained from market. If you cannot grow on farms, if you can't go to farms, but this can be available. If you want these things, you can get in a market. Which articles in the picture are produced in a factory? Yes, from this above items, which are produced in a factory, the article produced in a factory are umbrella, jackets, and jacket and bicycle. These are the articles which are produced in a factory. Okay. Now, where else can you find these articles? Yes, we can find these articles. When you want to purchase this, we can get them in malls, markets, and shops, right? For what purpose do we need these things? Yes, some of the things are used for eating. You know, which are these things like cauliflower, apple, cabbage we use for eating. And umbrella is used in rainy season and summer season, right? And jacket is used to protect us from winter. Bicycle is used to travel from one place to another. Yes. Which means of transport are used to move these goods to urban and rural areas? Yes. Which transport is used? Truck. Yes. You can see children, but here you can see this grain, vegetables, milk, they come from villages. Farming implements means things used for farming implements. Then clothes, medicine, automobiles, soaps, glass, light bulbs are made in factories. Yes, they come to villages for sale, right? You know, children, trucks move on roadways and they are used to move the goods to urban areas. Means urban means to cities and rural villages. Rural means villages, as there are this village and city people are dependent on each other. Some goods we transport from village, some from there, right? And they are linked and they are dependent on each other, as factories are situated in near cities. Some raw material we get from villages, right? Now tell me, which are the means of communication? Yes, yes, commonly which means of communication are used, right? We have mobiles, computers, TV sets, newspapers are necessary to fulfill the needs of people. These all things people need, right? Earlier, yes, you can see earlier there was a big difference how the village and cities were. But now this difference is reducing slowly, slowly. Now we can see that the facilities available in cities are now becoming available, because many of the things which we are not getting, now we can get many more things in villages and cities also. So now cities and they are becoming, their facilities are available in cities as well as in villages. Children, can you tell? You have to just below shows various means of transport. You can see various means of transport is shown in first column, and in second column you can see and what they travel on. Make the correct pairs. You have to match. Bullock cart, yes, first bullock cart travel on Kacha road. You can see bullock carts move on Kacha roads. Boat, you can see boat where they sail in water. Where they sail in water. Trains, yes, children, where they you see the trains moving on the railway track. Yes, where do trains move? On a railway track. Buses use which road, children? Pakka road. You can see the buses use Pakka roads. Aeroplanes, yes, fly the air. Trucks, yes, they move on Pakka roads. Yes. Children, can you tell? Look at the screen and tell what all different type of all the people are doing here. You can see what is grandfather doing, what is Thai using to find information. We'll see in detail. What is grandmother watching, what is Dada doing, what is father using. We'll see all the questions. Okay, children? Yes, tell me what is grandfather doing? Yes, grandfather is reading a newspaper. What is grandfather doing? Grandfather is reading a newspaper. What is Thai using to find some information? Yes, Thai is using a computer to find some information. What is Thai using to find some information? Thai is using a computer. She is taking the help of computer to get the information. Yes, what is grandmother watching? Yes, children. Grandmother is watching an television. You can see. She has worn specs. What she is doing? She is cleaning vegetable and she is watching the television. What is Dada doing? Yes, Dada has put his music player. Yes, he's listening to music. You can see he's listening to music. Now, what means of communication father is using? Father is using a mobile phone. Yes, he's speaking to someone. He is he's using? He's using a mobile phone. Who is at the door? What is mother? What is mother talking from him? What is mother taking from him? Yes, yes. The postman is at the door, and the mother is taking what, children? Letter from him. Children, here we commonly use things like letters, computers, mobile phones, newspapers, TVs, music players. And these are used to send and means and receive information. They send and receive information and messages. All these are means of, what are they known as? These are known as means of communication. Now children, dialects means use of language to communicate with people or to each other and to express his thoughts to other people. Some languages spoken in different ways. Yes, they are spoken in different regions, ways in different regions. They are spoken in different ways in different regions. The pronunciation of the word changes with the regional words, region words from other languages enter our language. It is influenced by the other language. This way, different dialects of the same language form in different regions. Now, children, you can see how the people are communicating with each other. You know, for example, you can see in Kandesh, Airani, how the language is given. The dialects is Airani. And in Konkan people use Konkan Malwani. They speak in Malwani way. right? Vidarbha, Varhadi, and some dialects of, these are some of the dialects of the Marathi language. Which is the state language? Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Which is the state language of Maharashtra? Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Children, in the olden days, means of sending messages were not very advanced in those days, right? We didn't have more facilities like, and that time it was communicating by different means. We used it. Sometimes pigeons were used for this purpose. You know, they used to use pigeons for this purpose. A message was sent, writing it down in a piece of paper, and this paper was tied to their legs. You can see. See how it is tied to the legs. And what happened, you know? Then these pigeons used to carry messages and fly. They were used to send messages. You know, services like mobile phones, telephones, and computers are now available in the areas. Yes, you can see. You know, where Rohan and Rupali live. They need to send a message. They want to send a message to their relative. And they want to send a message to their relative in another town. They are living in other town, their relatives. How will you help them? Yes, to send the message. What they can do, children? They can, Rupali and Rohan can write a letter, or they can use a postcard, right? To send the message to their relative through their postal services. This message will be delivered. Yes, through the, because you know what is not available, you know, their telephones, computers, mobile phones are not available. So they can use the postal services, right? Children, now let us revise the question and answers. Now you can see some things are available: vegetables, onions, beets, motorcycle, book, TV, radio. These are some of the things. Now we have to answer. Of the above, which items come to the city from the villages? Which items come to the cities from villages? Yes, the items that come to the city from the villages are, from villages, what all things we get, children? Vegetables, yes, onions and wheat. These all things come to cities, right, from villages. Villages send us. Of the above items, which come to village? Yes, which we send to villages, the item that come to the village from the city are motorcycle, books, TV, radio, right? Now, children, you can keep your workbooks. You have written question answers. Open your lesson number 7. Our village, our city. Page number 45. Yes, of your workbook, children. Open page number 45 of your workbook. Okay. Yes. Children, see, fill in the blanks. So, I'll repeat 2 times. You also repeat after me. Fill in the blanks 1. Rural and urban people are dependent on each other for their transport. Yes, rural and urban people are dependent. Dependent spelling DEPENDENT. Rural and urban people. Villagers and city people, that is, are dependent. DEPENDENT, dependent. Second, transport is found on water, land, and air. Yes, transport is the movement found on water, land, and air. Transport is the movement of people, goods from one place to another. Transport is the movement. M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T, movement. M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T, movement. Now strike out the wrong words. Train carry the most or the least number of people amongst any other form of transport. They carry most or least number, children. Most. M-O-S-T, most is right. Factories are mostly situated near or far from the cities. Yes, far from cities, right? Mobile phones are the slowest or quickest means of communication that we have currently. They are slow or fast, children? Quickest? They are quickest. Okay. Q-U-I-C-K-E-S-T, quickest. Letters are a form of oral or written communication. Letters are form of oral or written? Written. So we'll put right and we'll cancel oral. Now children, trains, now you can see. Question number 8. TV news is a form of oral. TV news is a form of oral or written communication. It is oral. So cut written. Okay. Name the animals used as a means of transport in ancient times. In olden time, which animals were used for transport, children? The animals used as a means of transport in ancient times are bullocks. Which animals, children? Elephants, camels, horses, and donkeys. The animals used as means of transport in ancient times were bullocks, elephants, camel, horses, and donkeys. Right? Name the dialects of Marathi spoken in Maharashtra. Yes, which are the dialects of Marathi spoken in Maharashtra? The dialects of Marathi spoken in Maharashtra are Airani, Malwani, and Varhadi. Right? Which are that? The dialects of Marathi spoken in Maharashtra, Airani, Malwani, and Varhadi. Okay. Children, now see the blank 11th number. Dash is required for aeroplanes to land and take off. Which place aeroplanes land and take off? Airports. Yes. Which place? Airports. Think and tell. Children, now see this. Question number 15. Yes, you can see there. Which means of transport are mentioned in the passage? The means of transport mentioned in the passage are buses and horses back. Yes. What are the requirements of a train? Which means of communication are mentioned in the passage? The means of communication given in the passage are letters and mobile phones. What are the requirements for a train to run smoothly? Yes, a train needs railway tracks, a railway station, and an engine to run. It also needs an engine to run. The railway tracks for the train to run. And the engine is there to pull the train. The railway stations and platforms are for people to get on and off the trains. Yes. Children, tell me, guess the vehicles. Now see, children. What do we need in a computer to send and receive emails? Yes. What do we need, children, if you want to send an email? Yes. If you want to receive a mail and send an email, we need an internet connection. What do we need? Internet connection. So spelling of internet is I-N-T-E-R-N-E-N-T, internet. Which pollution is caused when all the vehicles on the route blow their horn? When they are blowing their horn, you hear the noise pollution. Which pollution we hear? noise pollution. Okay, children. Now, question number 21, you can see, guess the vehicles. I have two wheels. I have no motor. Sometimes I have a bell or a horn. You can ride on me. Yes, which vehicle it is? I am a bicycle. Yes. I'm simple and very strong. I have four wheels and a million uses. I do jobs on the farm. It helps the farmer on the farm. I help farmers to grow crops. Yes. What it is? I am a tractor. Children, yes, I hope you have understood this. Any doubts? I'm going to ask you questions. Okay, children? Yes, I'm going to ask you some questions. Yes, any doubts, children? Children, any doubts? Yes, can you hear me, children? Yes. Name the modern means of transports. Name. Name the modern means of transport.
नेट स्लो वहाँ हो गया हमारा चलना.
Yes, can you hear me? Am I audible to you, children? Hello, children. Can you hear me now? Yes, children. Tell me, what do we need in a computer to send and receive email? Yes. What do we need in a computer to send and receive email? Very good, Manasvi. Yes, we need internet. Very good. How are houses in villages, children? How are houses in villages? Yes, how are houses in villages? Small, very good. They were made of mud. They were very small. Yes. Which pollution is caused when all vehicles on the road move? Which pollution is caused? Yes, children. Name any two means of communication. Name any two means of communication. Yes, mobiles. Yes. Very good. Telephone, mobile telephones. Which else? Yes, computers. Very good. Children, any doubts? Children, best of luck. From Monday, we are having exam. So best of luck. Do well, study for your exams. Bye, children.